Hello everyone, my name is Anthony, and in this video we'll be going over software processes and basically explaining what they do and the role they play in software. So let's begin and let's go over each role for it. Alright, so our next slide is what are software processes? So a software process is a structured set of activities. This means it follows a defined sequence of tasks like planning, designing, coding, testing, and maintaining software. These activities help guide the development of a software from start to finish. And the purpose is that it has a main goal of trying to organize and manage the complex task of building software. And a well-defined process improves the efficiency, ensures quality, and helps meet project goals on time and within budget. And so we can define how software is between how it's developed, maintained, and evolved. And we will be going over these points better in the next slides and in each video. So our next slide is key software process activities. So what are process activities? So these are the core steps involved in developing software. So every software project, no matter the size or the method, goes through these essential stages to move from an idea to a working system. So the purpose of these activities is that they help to structure the workflow of the software development. By breaking the process into clear stages, teams can stay organized, manage time better, and ensure that the final product meets the user's needs. Okay, so our next slide will be about key processes, and we'll be discussing each of these points like specification, design and implementation, validation and evolution, and just how they are, specific parts of this process. So with specification, this is about defining what the software should do. It involves gathering requirements from stakeholders and documenting the system's expected functions, features, and constraints. Next, we have design implementation, and this basically means that once the requirements are clear, the system is designed, meaning the structure, components, interfaces, and then that it's implemented by writing the actual code, and then basically that means that this step turns the plan into a working software product. Next, we have validation. This ensures that the software meets the original requirements. It includes testing the system to check for bugs and verifying that it works correctly and satisfies user expectations. And for lastly, our last one will be titled evolution. And this basically means that after the software is delivered, it basically needs updates over time. And so evolution just means modifying and improving the software as user needs change, bugs are found, or new features are requested over time that need constant care for and development over this process cycle. All right, so next slide is what are software process models? So software process models are abstract representations of how software development activities are organized and carried out, and they provide a structured framework for managing the steps involved in building software. And some examples of common models that we might see are the waterfall model, the agile model, the incremental model, the spiral model, and each model follows a different approach to organizing work, but all aim to guide teams through the software development lifecycle. Okay, and with that, we have reached the end of the slide and end of the video. I would like to give a quick thanks for watching, and please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in the next video following this, I will discuss and go more into depth about the software process models and exactly more of their role in software and just exactly what some of them might do and providing examples of them. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a good one.